How to log in Crunchyroll and TV with QR code. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan or use a QR code for you to be able to log in into your Crunchyroll account using your television. Now, first things first, take note that this specific feature may not be available for all types of televisions. It will be varying on the make and model of your television. So say you're already downloaded Crunchyroll on your TV, all you have to do is to hit on login. Now, once you click on login, this is going to be what you will see on your screen. So some televisions only uses activate with code, login with email, create account, and forgot password. But most of the time, televisions has this specific feature, which is going to be a scan QR code. Now, you're just going to need to use a third-party application, which is to scan any types of QR code from the Google Play Store or any app store that you want to use. If you do not have a built-in QR scanner or scanner from your device, scan the code and log in into your Crunchyroll account. And that's it. That's how you log in Crunchyroll and TV with QR code.